Time travel might actually be possible, but only if the universe finds a way around paradoxes. Let's break this down. Einstein's theory of relativity already tells us time is not fixed. It stretches and bends depending on gravity and speed. Astronauts in orbit experience time slightly slower than we do on Earth, even if it's only by a fraction of a second. In a sense, time travel is already happening. We've even tested it. In 1971, scientists flew atomic clocks around the world. When compared to identical ones left behind, the results showed tiny but measurable differences, exactly as Einstein predicted. Time really does tick at different speeds. But when we start imagining big jumps into the past or the future, things get complicated. One idea scientists talk about is wormholes, tunnels through space-time that could, in theory, connect not just distant places, but different times. On paper, they work. In practice, we have no clue how to actually create or stabilize one. Things get even stranger near black holes. Their gravity warps space-time so strongly that time slows to a crawl. To an outside observer, you'd appear frozen while years rushed by somewhere else. In theory, you could leap into the far future simply by surviving near one. And even if you could, there's a huge problem: paradoxes. Think of the famous grandfather paradox. You travel back in time, and for some reason, stop your grandparents from meeting. That means you'd never be born. But if you were never born, then you never traveled back to stop them. The logic collapses. Or consider what's called a causal loop. Imagine you go back in time and hand Shakespeare a copy of Hamlet. He copies it, publishes it, and becomes famous. But wait, who actually wrote Hamlet? Was it Shakespeare? Or you, who only knew it because Shakespeare had already written it? It's a loop with no beginning. These paradoxes suggest that free movement through time might be impossible unless the universe has built-in rules to stop them. Some scientists think it does. One idea is the multiverse theory. Every time you change the past, you don't actually rewrite history. You just branch into a brand new universe. Kill your grandfather, and sure, you'll erase your own existence in that branch, but your original timeline keeps going, untouched. This way, paradoxes don't exist. You just end up somewhere else. Another possibility is the Novikov self-consistency principle. According to this, paradoxes literally can't happen. The universe won't allow it. If you go back in time, your actions were always part of history. You can't stop your grandparents from meeting because something will always get in the way. The past is fixed, and your presence there was always woven into it. And then there's the block universe view. Imagine all of time, past, present, and future, already exists, like pages in a book. We're just reading it one page at a time. If that's true, time travel might not be about changing anything at all, but simply flipping to a different page. But here's where it gets weird. If the universe really works this way, then do we actually have free will? Or are we just moving along a story that's already written? Maybe our fascination with time travel isn't about science at all. Maybe it's about regret, about wanting to fix mistakes, relive moments, or the curiosity of what's ahead. But what if the real lesson of time travel is this: the past can't be changed, and the future isn't ours to see. All we have, the only page we can truly read, is the present. So, could time travel exist without paradoxes? If paradoxes are impossible, then maybe the universe is protecting its story. The question is, whose story is it?